where to install your Sonos sub. So let's make an example over here. Well, ideally, set it next to your speaker. So actually, can be that one. I would set it just right there. That's an ideal position. Not too close from the wall, but well, don't set it here, it looks stupid. So you can still go quite well to the wall. It's made to sit on the floor. Don't put it there, doesn't make sense. You put it on the ground. Fun fact, you can install it just beside your sofa, a wall, any piece of furniture, but you can also put it just like that. There's some little paw that come with it in the box, so you can put it on, you don't put it directly on the ground, you can lift it up just a little bit. And Sonos says that technically you can put it under furniture at least, as long as you have 1 inch of free space over it, but I would not recommend it because, well, a speaker just moves some hair, and if you hide it, well, the sound is not as good. It just works like that. So ideally next to the speaker, but as long as it's line of sight, it's fine. So yeah, here I would put it there. But if I sit here, I can see it there, I could see it behind me, I could see it at so many places in the room. Just don't hide it and it will be good. So I hope this was helpful.